It's your boy Crypto Millie back with another one. So the news of the day, obviously, is the tariffs, right? This is the full list of the tariffs announced by the U.S. this week, and perfect timing, right? Perfect timing. I'm wondering if Trump and whoever is his advisors and the people that kind of like dropped this news, I wonder if they read the room. I don't really think they read the room. But the timing, right? Whether it be when we're peak bearish and then some bullish news comes out of Trump's team, or when we're complete bullish and some bearish news comes out of Trump's team, regardless, the timing always seems odd. But it's the weekend, so I'm gonna look at it as a positive because a lot of people were calling for a correction on the weekend because many people felt like they missed out on the rally that could have started, right? So this is gonna be good, right? Because this is gonna give a lot of people who were feeling like they missed out an opportunity to get in, right, and get their bags up, right? But I can't deny the timing of this announcement, right? Because we were like what, peak bullish, and as you can see right here, we are correct on the day, as the tariffs will go live August 1st. So I mean, this could end up being a market pricing in the tariffs now, right? Or we can run up until August 1st and then it end up being about a rumor sell the news event, right? So just keep that in mind, guys, that the macro stuff is something we can't control, and we talked about how the Fed is the final boss, right? Jay Powell. There's been rumors that Jay Powell may resign. I don't know how true those rumors are. It doesn't really matter. At the end of the day, July is supposed to be a pause, right? We got about 18 days until the next FOMC meeting. So I'm not surprised that upon this news, you're seeing the market correct because we were just euphoric. Don't get chopped up, guys. Be responsible. Always DCA in times of fear, right? But never have FOMO, right? Never have FOMO, right? That's one thing we've learned this market is just to stay consistent with our attitudes and our mentalities, not getting too high and not getting too low. But I understand that crypto itself can be a roller coaster. In today's video, I actually want to talk about ZBCN, kind of like give you guys an update on what was going on with the market from a macro perspective. But let's get into ZBCN because I know that's a very sought after cryptocurrency here. I think I thought I had it pulled up. Oh, I do have it pulled up here. Nice rebound, bouncing right off our golden pocket, the 618 and 786, from the local bottom to the top. So this is positive, right? Because you're seeing 2 wick candles here sitting smack there on the 21-day EMA, which is very, very positive. We continue to have bullish momentum as the ultimate RSI is above the orange line. So as long as it's above this orange line, the trend is your friend until the end. So in my opinion, if you truly believe that none of the fundamentals have changed here with ZBCN, it's a good chance that this is attempting to put in its next leg up, pending we get and we have been getting like what I would say a decrease in the Bitcoin dominance, but you don't want that decrease in the Bitcoin dominance to come with a decrease in the Bitcoin price, right? You want the Bitcoin dominance to go down, but you kind of like want the price of Bitcoin either, trade sideways or go up, right? I will say this, that we are looking to print a buy signal soon as we can get that stock RSI reversals to the upside. So, from a TA perspective, this is a good opportunity to DCA and just like slowly add to your bags. When I say DCA, right, you can, if you got $1,000, 250 here, 250 when you cross the stock RSI, 250 upon confirmation, and that way you're not just like loading your entire clip into one purchase, right? You can just take your time. Crypto requires patience, and I don't think a lot of people understand that. We actually called this path a while ago. You can see here, we're putting in that path. We actually can move this here and move this down here. But it's a good chance that this path, if we can hold support here, takes us higher, right? And the support is at the previous all-time high, which is beautiful support. You got 2 wick candles, and it's sitting here at the previous all-time high from the release of this on TradingView, by the way, the new contract. So, I like ZBCN. The community is here, right? Most people are bullish. This could end up being a nice bull flag, but again, we got to talk about what ZBCN is actually doing as far as real time payment solution. So they aim to make money move at the speed of the internet. That's kind of like the theme for Zebec. It's disrupting $1 trillion industry when you think about the payroll. So let's talk about some of the traditional payment problems and solutions, because again, fundamentals have not changed, listed on exchange, a plethora of different partnerships, and a community that rivals memes, right? You like utility tokens that have really solid communities, right? Similar to these meme communities. Not calling Zebec a meme coin for anybody that's out there. Traditional payment problems. So slow monthly payroll. Workers wait weeks and months for salary payments, creating cash flow problems. Zebec's solution, real-time streaming payments. Get paid by the second. Money flows continuously, not in monthly batches. High transaction fees. International transfers can cost 3 to 8% in fees and take 3 to 5 business days. Zebec's solution, near zero transaction costs. Blockchain efficiency eliminates middleman fees and reduces costs by 90%. Banking intermediaries, multiple middlemen slow down transactions and add unnecessary costs. You know, if you've done any type of sending money overseas and internationally, then you kind of understand what's happening here. Direct peer-to-peer. No banks require. Smart contracts handle payments automatically, right? So love the automated feature here. Complex payroll management, manual process, compliant issues, and administrative overhead. Automated payroll system, smart contracts automate everything from scheduling to compliance. So you can see how we're walking into this world of automation. You can kind of see why I'm so bullish on AI, right? We're walking into a land where everything's going to be automated, and you want to kind of align yourself with this thesis from an investment perspective, of course, not financial advice. Cross-border friction, currency conversion, regulatory delays, and limited access to global markets. Multi-chain global access works across 12 plus blockchains with instant global reach and local currency support. This is why ZBCN is revolutionary. Zebec Card, spend crypto instantly with a Visa, MasterCard in over 138 countries. They have a Circle partnership, so they have stablecoin liquidity that's spread across their ecosystem. Deflationary model, making it scarce, right? Token buybacks and burns create scarcity and value accrual. Deepen integration, physical payment terminals, bringing crypto to retail. So you can see how Zebec is working to bring adoption and act as a portal for the traditional job market. And I like what this can become. So guys, make sure you follow Zebec here for all of the updates. They're always doing something new, and they're always giving updates on what they're working on, guys. And love that they work on compliance and things like that. Gotta be, gotta give respect to a team that's docs, that's working on compliance, is really building something special and attacking a niche market that's worth trillions of dollars. So there's my video on Zebec. Let me know what you think about ZBCN. How do you feel about the timing of Trump and the tariffs? Do you think that the timing is just very odd? Anybody feel like how I feel out there? I don't know. Anyway, let me know. Happy weekend to all. It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'll see you in the next one.